Welcome to BikeSphere, your go-to channel for everything two wheels. Today we're diving into the 2025 Hero XPulse 250, a dirt bike that promises to elevate off-road adventures. Is it the best budget-friendly adventure bike of the year? Let's find out. Design and build. The 2025 XPulse 250 keeps its rugged DNA intact, but with key refinements. It now features a more aggressive stance, a taller windscreen, and a new LED headlamp setup for better night rides. The updated seat profile and ergonomics make long rides more comfortable, while the lightweight chassis keeps it nimble on rough trails. And in performance, Hero has fine-tuned the 249cc oil-cooled single-cylinder engine to deliver improved power and torque. Expect smoother throttle response, better low-end grunt, and refined fuel injection for optimal efficiency. The 6-speed gearbox ensures better highway cruising while maintaining solid off-road capability. Suspension and handling. The new model comes with enhanced suspension tuning. The front features long-travel telescopic forks, while the rear gets an adjustable monoshock for better damping over rough terrain. With 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, paired with dual-purpose tires, the XPulse 250 remains a strong contender for dirt enthusiasts. Technology and features. Hero has stepped up its game with a fully digital instrument cluster featuring smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and riding modes for different terrains. The switchable ABS system ensures better control, especially on dirt tracks, making it more versatile than ever. Price and verdict. With a competitive price tag, the 2025 XPulse 250 continues to be an attractive option for adventure seekers on a budget. Whether you're a beginner looking for a reliable dirt bike or an experienced rider wanting a lightweight off-roader, this bike ticks all the right boxes. Outro. That's it for today's review. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Hero XPulse 250? Drop your comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeSphere for more motorcycle content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.